What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to defeat Hitmonkey and we are going to take part 4. So in this part, so this is the part 4 in which Captain America we can see. So in this part, the first fight is Captain America, OG Captain America. So for the all the science fights I bought Aegon, who is at rank 4. So it is very easy for him to defeat any of these guys. So I think this should be at least maybe I don't know 6 hits. Well, Aegon should develop some furies, which is going to help in the fight that are going to coming up next. I need to be careful to stay away from Captain America because if he uses special 2, that might do some good amount of damage. So the fight is on the way. Okay, easy. Okay, no, I let my guard down here, so I got hit. But here I used a combo of 6 and I very easy fight for Aegon. Aegon is beyond god tier champion, if you know how to use him properly. He's a very good champion, if you ask me. So next fight is, if I remember, Falcon. Okay. So for Falcon, I bought Archangel and Sunspot, but I'm going to use Sunspot because I'm going to save Archangel for Hitmonkey. So in this fight, we are going to use Sunspot. He is also beyond god tier champion, but I don't have him in 4 or 5 star version. I have got the max version of 3 star of this guy. He's a very good champion if you ask me. His incinerate ability is insane. If you get many like 5 incinerate or 4, he's just like a god. And plus he has got a class advantage on this one also, so this should be easy for him. Okay. Here, well, I forgot to block properly. That's why he kept hitting me. Again, I did the same mistake. Forgot to block. From here on, I was extra careful about this. I wanted infinite. I was just doing parry, parry, parry. When he used his special, I evaded it very quite easily. So Falcons, I can evade easily. Here again parry, and I was just waiting for the SP3 to come in. As soon as that came in, I tapped it. Okay, so he was on quite a low amount of health, so he just got KO by this. And Sunspot Special 3 has got a lot amount of damage also. A lot amount of damage. So that's why this fight was very easy with Sunspot. So next fight is with Cyclops, New Xavier School. In this for this fight, I bought Iron Man Infinity War. He's unblockable on his SP1. That's why I bought him because I needed to get shock, incinerate, all the ability I can get against Cyclops. Cyclops is a very good defender. Okay, so we have got bunch of fights before Hitmonkey. So let's get on with Cyclops. So Iron Man Infinity War is a god tier champion. He's one of the best defenders in Alliance War. I have just placed him in the war. We had just one last war, so okay. He has got good amount of damage also, if you ask me, Iron Man. And the main thing, he has got a very good heavy attack. It gives you more armor break. So I was just using heavy attack when I was getting parry and parry, which was helping me a lot. So the fight, okay. So first this I forgot, I let my guard down a bit and he hit me. So this is the heavy attack. We get the armor attack as armor down as soon as we hit the guy. In this I was using the combo of 6, like light, 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 and then final one was medium. Here I let my guard down and put my block down, okay? So he hit me. I gotta be careful with his special too. That does a lot amount of damage if you don't block it properly. Here I as soon as I got special 2, I tapped it. This would give me incinerate, and because of which it became very easy. Well, yeah, here I made a few mistakes, but he was at 1%, so yeah, easy fight. The next two fights are going to be both Signs, and both are the members of Fantastic Four. One is going to be Invisible Woman, after that, we are going to have the Human Torch. Okay, so Invisible Woman is basically the best ability she has got is invisibility. When she becomes invisible, we cannot hit her. So she has got one. That is the only thing that makes Invisible Woman strong. So this fight I used Aegon again because of mainly I'm using Aegon in Science fight because he has got a class. What we can say, he has got a class advantage for this. So for him, his attack get more high and high, so it's very easy for him. In this fight, at first the invisibility was on, so I made a mistakes and I was not able to hit her. But I think Under 5 seconds it was gone. I don't know how. So yeah, this fight was also easy for me with Aegon. So here's the fight. Aegon is basically a god. If you look here, invisibility, it just went. I don't know how it went so fast, but still. Okay, look at that. Just 3 hits. Can you believe? Just 3 hits to defeat Invisible Woman. And when she came out, it was impossible to defeat her only. So just 3 hits, we can defeat Invisible Woman. There are other what we can say skill champion that are good for this part, like Fury, Stealth Spidey, Squirrel Girl. But I am using Aegon. I like him. The next fight is Human Torch. I need to be careful about this guy. With if he has got flame on, then this fight could have got hard. But I don't think so that he might have got it. I don't know. Flame on is a pre-fight ability which you can active. You can choose whether to active or not before the fight. Yeah, so it was good. His incinerates are extremely good. If the flame on is on ability, he would get 2 seconds extra incinerate, which would help him in the fight quite a lot. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so he doesn't have flame on. This should help us quite a bit. Okay, here I again let my guard down, incinerate. But still, this fight was way easier than the Invisible Woman. Way easier, because if she would have kept that invisibility long enough, then it would have been a different case. So next fight is Ghost Rider, for whom I bought Human Torch only. Yeah, because he's a Mystic champion, so Science champion have a class advantage against him. That's why I bought Human Torch. In this fight, I'm going to use the pre-fight ability. So because this is the only fight that I'm going to use Human Torch in this whole path, this Mystic fight. Ghost Rider is a good champion. I have him as 5 stars. He's a very good defender, actually, extremely good defender. Okay, so let's just on the pre-fight ability, Flame on. This ability is extremely good against Mystic champions. You have a class advantage, then you again get so much of incinerate with this thing. I think he should be down about 10 to 15 hits, maybe even under, because pre-fight abilities gives you a lot amount of damage. Other champion, Invisible Woman, Mr. Fantastic, Stealth Spidey, Guillotine 2099, they also have pre-fight abilities. Only thing with Fantastic Four, you can only use once. Only in one fight you can use these fight abilities. That's the only regret that I think these. And in like a champion like Stealth Spidey, you can use unlimited pre-fight abilities. As many fights you want, you can use them. Okay, so like I said, only 10 hits it took. So next up we have got the Hit Monkey. I have fought him in the whole island of Modok. That time it was not that good, but here he should be having good amount of abilities. I need to check all the buffs and knots that he is on, what all things he can do. Okay, so skip the translation. This fight I'm going to use Archangel, my best champion. Okay, so here he's a skill champion. We get a class advantage against him. Let's just see what are all this. Ooh, what is this, man? Okay, so we can do this. Okay, let's do this. The main thing I need to figure, because his specials are extremely fast, I need to be quick. If I'm not going to be quick, he can easily hit me. And if he hit me, I'm going to get bleed and all those things, which are not going to be good for Archangel. Archangel, as I told you earlier in Winter Soldier fight, he has got neurotoxin, poison and all these other abilities. So this is the first fight. He's a blocking, his special. Okay, I use his special here to get a bleed on him, and it's extremely confusing to fight this guy because he has got evade. As soon as I try hitting him, he just hits me back. So extremely hard. Here I let my guard down and he hit me. It's lucky that we didn't got bleed. Here he was still bleeding because of my special. Here I used my special too, and that was the end of Hit Monkey. So, and that's the end of today's video. Be on the lookout for the next video for Tigra. So till then, bye.